morning and welcome to my channel. Today's ride will be to Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary, which is 120 kilometers away from Pune. Estimated time to reach is 2.5 hours. Temperature outside is 22 degrees. Time is 8 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, I am all ready for the ride. So come along with me, let's go. We are on the Flamingo road. From here we are going to Swagat. To my left is Saraswat. We have reached Swagat now. From here, take a left turn towards camp via Timber Market. Now we have reached camp and we are going towards Solapur Road, Pune-Solapur highway. So on my left you can see Pune race course. Now we are crossing it. Now we are on the Pune-Solapur highway. We are crossing Loni Kalbor now. On the left you can see Indian Oil Terminal. We are crossing Urori Kanchan now. Pune Solapur highway. We have crossed Toll Plaza now. On the left you can see MRDC Kurkum. We have reached Bhigwan now. On the left is Bhigwan. From here we are going to a place called Kumbhargaon, which is around 10 kilometers from here. Exit highway here for Kumbhargaon. And this road will go to Kumbhargaon. Towards Kumbhargaon. Take a left turn from here. Around 1.5 kilometers from this spot. And here we are. Kumbhargaon. Total kilometers covered is 119.5. So approximately 120 kilometers. In the boat, grey heron. Ducks, lot of ducks here. This is backwater of Uzni Dam, right? Backwater of Uzni Dam on river Bhima, right? Los Avis. We can see seagulls. Good. Flock of great resting on the rocks. Acha, great cormorant and little cormorant. Black. Now you can see Chinese goose. Acha, grey heron. Grey heron. Grey heron. Wow, black cormorant. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Famous tilapia fish of Bhigwan, which are found only in these waters. Flamingo, the main attraction of Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary. There are two types, lesser and greater. Both of them migrate here from Run of Kutch, Gujarat. Best season to visit is winter. Best month to visit is mid-February. Best timing is between 6 to 8 early in the morning. Boat ride will cost you ₹100 per person. Those who want to stay, lodging and boarding facilities are available at ₹1,000 per night. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Please put your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon.